having this hole in drywall, and this movie about how to fix this issue. I mean, cover a new piece of drywall, covers this hole and make its wall straight and flat and nice again. First we have to cut the piece of drywall which will be covers this hole. Oh, a little bit bigger. Wow. Yeah, it looks like it's perfectly fit everything. Second step, we have to install a insert piece of wood there, as we have studs where we can attach new piece over there, and from left I will insert this piece of wood. One from the top, another from the bottom, and two for the side. Yeah, I'm making a mark on the wall where it starts. And now I'm inserting this piece which I cut. It fits nicely. And we'll screw it to the wall with this yellow drill. Yeah, as you see, we done this patch, put this patch, and now we need only plaster to cover it and paint it, and then it's done. Job is done.